Hello everyone, and welcome back to Outer Wilds. I have to say, I'm very perplexed as to what's going on in The Stranger. I've mentioned that I've played the base game before, so I'm quite familiar with it. And I wonder, does The Stranger show up on the map? Doesn't seem to. Oh wait, what's that? Oh, that's the probe. Right, got it. Submerged structure. A large metal structure suspended by chains. It can be entered by swimming from below. There is a sealed vault illuminated by a green fire inside the structure. I found a strange vault wrapped in chains and marked with 3 glowing symbols. A slide reel from the river lowlands showed a strange vault being closed and sealed with chains and a glowing symbol. Okay. River lowlands. Low-lying region near the entrance to the Stranger. There are wooden buildings along the banks of the river. That's all there is to find there? Really? Okay. That's fine. Well, let's head back there. And dang it, I did it again. I forgot to. See, like, it kept it once. It kept the fact that I wanted to go to the Stranger once. And now it's no longer there. Oops. Map mode. Stranger. What's this thing? Oh, Ash Twin, Adel Rock. I see. Quantum Moon. Okay. Alright. Now let's go to the Stranger. Okay, so we do know about the secret entrance now. That's probably the observation deck that we saw. And I guess that's maybe your clue that there's something there. But we don't want to go there. I want to head back to the Riverlands and see if we can find more information about that artifact we found. And maybe determine for sure about the slide reels that are there. Oh, cool. Thank you. It mentioned there are multiple artifacts here, but I only saw the one. Oh, wait, we actually don't want to land like that. We want to land properly in the dock. We want to do that, but whether or not I'm skilled enough to do that is in doubt. Ghost matter, and then let's take a closer look. Okay, so there's that. Whoa! Okay, I don't seem to be able to take that, but that looks like a slide reel. Oh, wait, I bet these are, like, these devices but under construction. And this is the only one that's actually operational. Alright. Well, I guess let's take this into the room where the corpses are around here and see if maybe something will come of it. I don't quite understand how to light this thing, because the ones that the corpses are holding all have flames in them, but I don't know how to get that flame going. And my only remaining hypothesis is that maybe these are linked together, so this one will only light up inside this particular vault, I guess you could call it. No, that doesn't seem to be it either. Okay, I noticed that all of these are present, but there is one missing at the Ember Isles one, or Cinder Isles rather. Why do I keep thinking Ember Isles? I think it may be because of Ember Island in Avatar: The Last Airbender. I don't know. Let's take this with us and see if we can review that projection. Oh, but we need a lantern. We'll just keep it handy. Now this one is marked with the planet, but this is the one we want because you can see it's got the symbols that we saw on the sealed structure. Something sealed away. I don't think we've seen a structure like that, though. But yeah, there's the top chain being sealed in. But I don't recall... It looks like they put their lantern in that hole. But it also looks like the lantern is lit. Or the artifact. It's not a lantern, I guess. I don't know. I'm at a bit of a loss. I don't know. Let's keep going up to the next station. I might keep that little artifact thing with me just in case we find more information. But I'm not really sure what to make of it at this point. Okay. I'll bet that up there is Station 3. If my hypothesis about the ring representing the river is correct, then I imagine there are 4 stations where these projectors are. One of them is the one we were just at. One of them is here at Cinder Isles. One of them is that one up there. And then the 4th one is at the dam. So let's see if we can... let's take the secret way. Because I remember I think that's how we found projector ring. The slides last time. Sorry, I'm a little focused on not crashing horribly, which is really easy to do in those things. They seem very wiggly. It's very quiet in here, and it's kind of unsettling. I don't remember how we ended up viewing this, but I noticed that there are no indications of multiple... Ah, okay. I think this confirms my hypothesis. Like, this is the start of the river, and that's that shack we were at a minute ago. This is the second station along the river with the tower at Cinder Isles. This is the third station across with the ancient bridge. And this is the submerged structure we were at a minute ago at the dam. Right, that makes a lot of sense now. Okay. So with that in mind, let's grab another raft. Not too bad. Let's grab another raft and see if we can make our way to that third station, which I think is like we have to go that way. So that could actually be a slight problem. But let's see. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, this is going to be kind of tricky. There doesn't seem to be an easy way to rotate these things. Maybe they're supposed to be used by multiple people, but I don't know. We're managing. Let's get away from the wall. Now let's get away from the other wall. Okay, I think we're good. Maybe not so good. I wonder if there is a projector near that burned out structure. Oh, okay, good. I think this should take us over to... Yeah, excellent. Awesome. Can't read it, but I hear chains. Oh! I wonder if you can get crushed by that. Don't think I want to take my chances. Don't like that. Let's go this way. Hey. Imagine this is also, yep, counterclockwise. Certainly seem to be the same as before. But again, all of them are present, but there's the one missing at the Ember Isles. Cinder Isles. Gosh dang it. I can feel my brain getting mad at me as I'm saying Ember Isles instead of Cinder Isles, but it's not strong enough for me to stop myself. So apologies for that. Hopefully I'll get it into my head sooner rather than later. Okay. Hey! Okay, another artifact. Let's see if we can find a lantern. That's sealed shut. More slide reels. Ah, now we need a lantern. Uh-oh. I think we're high enough up that that shouldn't pose too much of a problem, but I would still like to try and get a lantern before then. Okay, so that's good to know. There is another artifact here. Which lends credence to my idea that there are, in fact, there's one near each of the locations where those, you know, those vaults of bodies are. I don't think there's a nicer way to put that. But oh no. Just hope that it hasn't destroyed those slide reels. Okay, so they enter the buildings. So their artifacts are not lit. That's interesting. So presumably there is a way to light them down there. I just haven't figured out what it is yet. It's fine, we can just leave it there. Aha, okay, so this is part 3 in this series. I guess that would imply that there's also a part 2 at the Cinder Isles, but I couldn't find it. I guess that kind of tells us what we already knew before, that there are 3 of those locks, and each one corresponds to another part of, well, not necessarily that they correspond to each part of the river, but there are 3 locks in total, and they each have one of those wavy symbols attached to them. I don't know what those symbols are supposed to represent, but they definitely remind me of ripples in a pool. Okay, so this appears to be information about the lanterns. I keep calling them lanterns. I don't know what they're actually called. So far, we've only seen them referred to as artifacts. That seems a little vague to me. But there are also other lanterns. Maybe these are soul lanterns. I don't know. Okay, so they arrive at the system. Many of them shuffle away. They miss their home. Many missing slides. So the lantern's lit, the soul lantern's lit, only after they fell asleep. So I wonder if you have to, like, set the lantern down next to the fire and then pass the time at the campfire, like doze off. Interesting. We'll have to keep that in mind. Let's just make sure there aren't any more reels. Nope, I think we're good. Alright. Let's see what else there is, even though this place surely got ruined a minute ago. Yeah, there's a fair amount of damage. So there's an artifact room there. But that's not where we found the artifact, which I find intriguing. I don't think I want to go down there. Let's don't, shall we? Okay, that's where I came in. Ah, so if you come here too late, then you can't use this elevator to easily get back up. Because I saw the little wheel thing was damaged. Okay, there's still more here, so I guess let's keep going. Projector reel with fire. So maybe, uh-oh, this is where they're forged? Let's keep close to the wall. In case you're wondering how I knew there was ghost matter there and you hadn't noticed it yourself, the little crystals on the ground indicate that there's ghost matter. Where are we now? I'm not sure. Guess let's find out. Okay, that's interesting. Another burnt out eye symbol. It's hanging on the wall. I wonder if this was recent As in, it was hanging up there until the flood came through. Because I don't know how high up. Because I know there's like a burst of water and then it settles again. And in fact, I think this bridge was destroyed by the water, so maybe it also affected this place. Oh no! Dang it. I don't know. That part's speculation. Maybe we ought to come back here sooner. Now I wonder, is this the same symbol? Like the same combination? Sun, lozenge. No, why? I don't understand why it sometimes, like, just keeps spinning. No, stop it. Okay, not the same combination. Good to know. Lantern, maybe there is another projector nearby. Indeed there is. But this one's already... Oh, wait! Oh, wait! I see! Okay, this is where we were before. Interesting. I don't know. I guess while we're here, we might as well... Well, I was going to say we might as well test my hypothesis about the way to light this artifact, but I don't know if I can make that. Oh, I can make it easy. Okay. I don't know. Let's give it a try. Let's doze off by the campfire with this in hand. Haha! Oh! Okay. They're all gone. My flashlight does not work. And I am hearing many strange sounds that I do not like. Did we get transported into, like, some alternate reality? God. That sounds like the supernova music, but really faded. I don't know if that's actually related to the supernova and it's telling me that it's really far away, or if it's just supposed to be like a theme. Like this place is related to death. Wow. That's pretty. So, I guess we're back on their homeworld. Is there anywhere for me to go? I mean... Oh, you know what? I should have figured that my jetpack doesn't work. What? Okay. I think I understand now. At least a little bit. So what I'm thinking is happening is they found the eye of the universe, the signal that it emitted, and then constructed this craft to try and find it, and then missed their homeworld so much that they made those rooms so that they could transfer their spirits over there. And this place is meant to be a sort of a recreation of their homeworld, or something like that. So I imagine that the reason we couldn't go anywhere was because this bridge is broken. I don't know. At least we know how these artifacts work now. As long as the fire is lit, you end up in that other place. And since their bodies are still here, I imagine it's a spiritual thing. But I guess we'll just have to keep investigating on the next episode. And yeah, I guess until then, I'll see you later.